In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Helium Browser step by step. First, open Helium Browser on your computer. Once Helium Browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You should see a menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or 3 dots. Click on it to open the main menu. In the menu that appears, look for an option called Settings. Click on it. This will open a new tab or page with all of Helium's configuration options. Now that you are in Settings, look at the left-hand side menu if it appears. You may see different categories like General, Privacy, Appearance, or similar. Click on Appearance and Behavior. Inside the Appearance section, look for a setting called Theme. This is where you can control how the browser looks. Click on the Theme drop-down menu. You will usually see options like Light, Dark, and Device. To enable dark mode, select Dark. As soon as you select it, the browser interface should immediately switch to a darker color scheme. You'll notice the tabs, background, and menus all change to darker tones, which is easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. If you prefer the browser to automatically match your computer settings, you can instead choose Device. This means Helium will switch between light and dark mode depending on whether your operating system is set to dark mode. You can also customize the browser's accent color in the same settings area. Helium may offer colors like blue, green, purple, or other themes that change the look of buttons and highlights throughout the browser. Simply click on the color you want, and the changes will apply instantly. Once you've selected your preferred option, you can simply close the Settings tab. Your changes are saved automatically, so there is no need to click a Save button. And that's it. You've now changed Helium Browser to dark mode in just a few simple steps.